Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Satria Ilham, 1924 1369, in class 1912B 01. Software and hardware. Understanding software. Software is data that is programmed, stored, and processed digitally. With a specific purpose and function, this device itself an entry of physical form. Software function. 1. Software serves a basic requirement for a computer to program correctly. 2. Software has the function and manage the hardware on the computer. 3. Software can also be used and linked between us. Another software is media, namely hardware. The software can also pass a command translated in another software that is machine language. 5. Can also use this computer software to easily program a computer. Software division based on type. 1. Operating system. There is a software is used to measure every hardware that has been connected to the computer CPU. In addition, the operating system can also have partition, translating activities and managing. All processes or core are ordered by the user on the CPU, so that these commands can be executed by the computer easily. 2. Programmer language. This type of software is a language used to create program. In the example, the are several US languages can be now HTML and Java. Application programmers. Application programmers here are software that is generally used to complete computer tasks. Type of software. 1. Firmware. This is a read-only type of software storage. 2. Freeware. This is type of software that does not have a specific time limit. 3. Hardware. This type of software can be obtained and used without any cost. 4. Open source. This is a type of software where source code be opened. 5. Malware. This is a type of software that is considered malicious and can cause damage in misuse. 6. Shareware. Shareware is software that can be used in specific use. Some example of software: Microsoft Office Word, Microsoft Office PowerPoint, Microsoft Excel, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, and Microsoft Edge. In Material 2, Understanding hardware. Hardware is a type of component on a computer that have a physical form, can be seen and felt. Hardware characteristic. 1. Have a physical form. One of the differences between software and hardware is the form. 2. General hardware is nature. Some examples of hardware are keyboard, printer, scanner, and other hard devices. 3. Location of the onset of the computer. Most hardware is location of the computer. 4. Media connecting. Between users and software, hardware is a device that is used for connection with user and software, which will receive input and the proper output to the user. Hardware function. 1. Give output. The first function of hardware is to provide output to the user. 2. Receive input. The next function of hardware is to receive input. 3. Store information and data. Hardware is a hardware device that has a function to store output data. 4. Processing information and data. The function of hardware is to process data which becomes new information. Types of hardware. The function of hardware is to process data which then becomes new information that is usually useful, so times it can be understood by humans. Hardware output. Output hardware is a device the function to process new information of useful data that can be understood by the user. Example of output hardware: monitor, printer, and speaker. 2. Hardware input. Input hardware is an input device that supplies or entering data in the form of image, text, video, and audio into the computer. Example of input hardware: mouse, keyboard, and scanner. 3. Hardware process. Hardware process or hardware process is a device that is useful for processing data and processing it on a computer. Some examples of hardware process are CPU, CPU, VGA, and RAM. 4. Storage device. And the name implies storage device, non-storage device. This is a part of hardware for purposes to store computer data. Hard disk, flash disk, and optical disk. 5. Additional device. What is meant by additional hardware? Devices are tools that have computer to run with commands. One example is a modem. Thank you. Bye.